Okay, so this short video is comparing and contrasting punctuated equilibrium versus gradualism. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So here we have two graphs. This one is showing us gradualism, which in AP Bio, we focus a lot on natural selection. And in natural selection, it is basically like a lot of gradual changes over time. And so when we try to explain how life evolves on planet Earth, Darwin presented natural selection as the mechanism, which would be like a gradual change in species over the years, versus punctuated equilibrium, which was first proposed in the 1970s to explain how life evolves, is where we have like a rapid change. So like lots of speciation happening in a short amount of time, followed by long periods of stasis or equilibrium, like not a lot of change, and then rapid burst of change, and then lots of stasis. Now, when we say rapid, though, rapid could be thousands of years in geologic time. Now, examples of what this looks like is if you think about the end of the last ice age. The last ice age ended about 10,000 years ago, and it was pretty quick. So if you have an ice age that lasted for however many thousands of years, and life evolved during this ice age, but then it had a quick warming and melting of the ice age, that's like a rapid change and lots of ecological stress. And then for about the last 10,000 years, temperatures on Earth have been pretty stable. So when we talk about punctuated equilibrium, we look at lots of like stable time periods on Earth where there's not a lot of extinction and not a lot of speciation occurring, but rather it's punctuated by like rapid change. So for example, you could think about the time of the dinosaurs. So you have lots of like life existing on Earth, and then the asteroid hit, and you have all these open niches, and then you have like rapid divergent evolution, right? You have lots of speciation occurring following that mass extinction. And so we can see when we look in the fossil record, what we actually see is punctuated equilibrium. So let's go ahead though and look at here's another example I thought was kind of cool. So crocodiles and alligators are reptiles, like very related to the dinosaurs. Dinosaur just means terrible lizard. So dinosaurs were also reptiles. And alligators and crocodiles have changed very little in like thousands of years. So that would be lots of stasis. Now, I did watch a documentary on alligators though, where in the 1970s, there was a lot of hunting for alligators for the alligator skin, or was it crocodiles? I think it was crocodiles for like crocodile boots and belts and purses and things. And so they think they hunted the large crocodile gene out of the gene pool on a global scale. So that like hunting would be a huge selective pressure that shifted the alligator or crocodile population. Okay, so let's go ahead and see a visual of this. So if we look at gradualism and how it would be like drawn out, we see gradual changes in a species. Oh, hold on, I have a timer. So we see gradual changes. So here we have speciation, and then they evolve in their lines gradually over time. Versus punctuated equilibrium is going to be like periods of stasis with the rapid bursts of speciation. So that's what we see here, like long periods of unchanged followed by bursts of speciation occurring. So if we were to compare these, so in gradualism, it's the hypothesis that life evolves by small cumulative changes over long periods of time. And then in punctuated equilibrium, it's the hypothesis that evolution occurs by isolated episodes of rapid speciation between long periods of little or no change, and that speciation does occur within a short time frame. All right, great job.